Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Video Session Standard 4. Term 3, we revised the lesson 1, Green Environment. The nature provides us a lot of useful things. The factories use these natural resources to make things that we buy in shop. When we are finished using these things, they become waste. What is waste? Waste is any object or material that has been used but it is not wanted anymore. It is not useful to us because it is broken, worn out, and cannot be used again. The waste can be in the form of matter, solid, liquid, gases, and each one has a different process of treatment and disposal. Some waste are very harmful to environment as well as human being and all the resources. Waste pollute our environment. This lesson, what we discussed this lesson, children, waste management, right? Now we recall the waste management. Waste management include the activity and action received to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal. How we dispose the waste. The waste management deals with all type of waste including industrial, biological and household waste. Household waste means the vegetable, then plastic, boxes, that is our household waste. Including the collection, transport, treatment and proper disposal of waste. The proper disposal means the method of disposal should not leave any harmful residues of waste which have affect our environment, ecosystem and resource adversely. The waste management have 4 steps. First, separation of waste, waste collection and transportation, waste recycling and composting, and waste disposal. Now we recall by one. First, separation of waste. It is a very important step in the waste management. It means to store or divide the waste into different waste bins. Each bins have different waste: green, blue, red. Green for biodegradable waste, blue for recyclable waste, red for non-recyclable waste. Biodegradable is nothing but leftover food items, the fruit pulp, skin, then vegetable waste, then food, rice, dal, that waste things. These are put in the biodegradable. Recycle waste, the waste things create new product like paper, glass, create new product, that's are recyclable. Non-recyclable, not use again, the plastic, polythene cover, these are not recyclable. This non-recyclable waste. So these are biodegradable. Non-biodegradable waste can be classified into the recyclable waste. Non-recyclable waste can be classified as commonly we say that non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means a food waste. Non-biodegradable waste means recyclable waste and non-recyclable waste. Next, waste collection and transportation. How we transport? Every day, every week, 2 days once or 3 days once, some people come and collect your waste. The corporation, that is a waste collection. Once we separate our waste in the homes and school, it is important to keep it ready to pick up by our municipality or corporation. The picking up the waste is called waste collection. The waste collection, you must separate that waste. Biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste. That's why you have to separate the waste. That only easily they dispose. And transportation. The moving the waste from one place to another is called transportation. We separate our waste in our homes. So these are waste collection and transportation. Where they get these types of waste? In the outer city or outer town, they put the waste, the biodegradable waste put in the ground, that is a fertilizer for plant. Non-biodegradable, the recyclable waste will be go to the factories. They again they recycle, they come paper, glass and metal like that. Non-recyclable kept in the outer area of the town. This is a waste collection and transportation. Next, waste recycling and composting. Biodegradable waste is taken to a place where it can be covered into compost. Now I tell no this way, this only I say telling now. Compost is food for plant and help to make our soil healthy. Non-biodegradable waste that can be turned into something new, recyclable waste and variable taken to recycling factories. This way only they taken. Next, waste disposal. Next thing is waste disposal. How they dispose? The waste cannot be recyclable. Need to be sent for final disposal. This waste is sent to the open dump on landfill. Landfill means outer area. They put in the non-recyclable waste like plastic, then bottles, toxic bottles like that. This is only kept in the dead. This is the steps of waste management. What are the steps, children? Separation of waste, waste collection and transportation, waste recycling and composting, waste disposal. I hope that you recall this concept, waste management. Today homework you have to study this lesson one word. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.